There are many mysterious places on our planet that even scientists cannot fully explain. These are locations where logic fails and secrets are hidden deep within nature. In today's video, we are going to explore some of the most mysterious places on Earth. Watch till the end, because each place is stranger than the last. Number 1. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. In the Karakum Desert, there is a giant crater that has been burning with fire for over 50 years. In 1971, Soviet geologists were drilling for oil when the ground collapsed, forming a massive hole. Methane gas started leaking out dangerously. To stop the spread, the scientists set it on fire, expecting it to burn out in a few weeks. But the fire never stopped. Even today, day and night, the crater burns endlessly. People call it the Door to Hell, and it has become one of the most mysterious and terrifying places on Earth. Number 2. The Blood Falls of Antarctica. Imagine a waterfall not of water, but of red liquid that looks like blood. In 1911, explorers discovered this strange flow coming out of the Taylor Glacier. For decades, people thought it was actual blood, but research revealed something even stranger. Beneath the glacier lies a salty lake with 3 times more salt than seawater, preventing it from freezing even at 17 degrees Celsius. The red color comes from iron in the water, which turns red when exposed to oxygen, just like rust on metal. The sight of blood flowing endlessly from ice remains one of the most chilling mysteries of nature. Number 3. The sleeping village of Kalachi. In Kazakhstan, there is a small village where people suddenly collapse into deep sleep. It doesn't matter if they are walking, eating, or working. They suddenly fall unconscious, sometimes for 6 straight days. When they finally wake up, they remember nothing. This mysterious illness began in 2013, and for 2 years, no one knew the cause. Finally, scientists discovered the truth. The village is near an abandoned uranium mine that released dangerous gases, reducing oxygen in the air. This was putting people into unnatural sleep. The mystery was solved, but the nightmare of the village remains unforgettable. Number 4. The Crooked Forest of Poland. Imagine walking into a forest where every single tree bends in the exact same strange way. Over 400 pine trees here curve sharply at the base before growing straight again, forming a bizarre sight that looks almost supernatural. Some theories say heavy snow bent the trees when they were young, while others believe there is a mysterious gravitational force in this area. The most common belief is that humans deliberately shaped them to build boats or furniture. But the truth remains one of the strangest puzzles in nature. Number 5. The Boiling River of the Amazon. Deep inside the Peruvian Amazon exists a deadly river called Shane Timpishka. Its waters are boiling hot, between 90 and 100 degrees Celsius. If any animal or human falls into it, survival is impossible. For years, locals spoke of this river, but scientists thought it was only a myth until a young researcher finally found it in 2011. The shocking part? No volcano exists anywhere near it for hundreds of miles. Local legends say the river is heated by the spirit of a giant serpent named Yakumama. Scientists believe the water sinks deep into the earth through fault lines, heats up, and resurfaces. But the true secret of this boiling river is still hidden. Number 6. Kelimutu's 3 Lakes, Indonesia. On Flores Island lies one of the strangest wonders of nature. 3 lakes side by side, but each lake has a completely different color. And even more mysterious, these colors keep changing several times a year, yet they are never the same at the same time. Scientists believe the lakes sit above a volcano and volcanic gases react with the water, creating these unbelievable colors. But why do all 3 change separately? That mystery remains unsolved. Number 7. Mount Roraima. At first sight, it looks like an island floating among the clouds. But in reality, this is a giant flat-topped mountain in Venezuela, standing 2,810 meters high. Its top is so flat, it almost looks artificial. For millions of years, this mountain remained cut off from the rest of the world. When explorers finally climbed it in 1882, they were shocked. Strange species of animals and plants existed here, species that were found nowhere else on Earth. Over 50 unique species live only on this mountain. It is like stepping onto a lost world, frozen in time for billions of years. But wait, viewers, our planet hides even more mysteries. Places so strange they feel like they belong to another world. Let's dive deeper. At number 8, we have the Devil's Kettle Waterfall in Minnesota, USA. Imagine a mighty waterfall splitting into two streams. One side flows normally into a river, but the other side, it disappears completely. For years, scientists threw dye, ping pong balls, even GPS trackers into the Devil's Kettle, and not a single one ever came out. It's as if the Earth itself is swallowing everything. Only recently, researchers suggested the water might rejoin the river underground, but no one has ever proven it. Where does it really go? That remains an unsolved mystery. Number 9 takes us into the heart of Siberia, where a place called the Potomsky Crater leaves scientists speechless. From the sky, it looks like a gigantic cone rising out of the forest, as if a spaceship crash-landed there. Locals call it the Fire Eagle's Nest and fear it as cursed. When scientists finally explored it, they found no signs of volcanoes or meteors. What created this massive structure? Some theories suggest it's an ancient impact crater, while others whisper it might be evidence of alien activity. At number 10, in Mexico's Sonoran Desert, lies a place the locals call the Zone of Silence. Radios stop working, compasses spin wildly, even satellites struggle to capture signals. It's a triangle of land where strange lights appear at night, and meteorites fall more often than anywhere else. NASA once tested rockets nearby, but some mysteriously crashed into this very zone. Is it magnetic anomalies or something more otherworldly pulling objects from the sky? Now, number 11 is straight out of a nightmare, the catacombs of Paris. Beneath the beautiful streets of France's capital lies a dark underworld, stretching over 200 miles, holding the remains of more than 6 million people. But what makes it truly chilling are the countless stories of people going missing down there. In 2004, police discovered a secret movie theater hidden inside the catacombs, powered with electricity, complete with a bar. No one knows who built it or why. Even today, only a small part of the catacombs is open to the public. The rest remains unexplored, filled with whispers and shadows. Finally, at number 12, the Bermuda Triangle. Perhaps the most famous mystery of them all. This vast region in the Atlantic Ocean has swallowed ships, planes, and people without leaving a trace. From Flight 19 in 1945, where 5 U.S. Navy bombers vanished, to countless missing boats, the Bermuda Triangle has been blamed on magnetic anomalies, rogue waves, even portals to another dimension. Some scientists argue it's nothing more than human error, but the sheer number of disappearances makes this place one of the greatest unsolved enigmas on Earth. So viewers, we began with 7 mysterious places, but now you've seen 12 that push the limits of imagination. From boiling rivers and bloody waterfalls to disappearing waters and cursed deserts, one thing is clear: our planet is far from ordinary. It is alive with secrets. But I'll leave you with a chilling thought. If Earth still hides mysteries like these, what about the rest of the universe? If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Mysteries Hub, because we have many more mysteries waiting for you. Until next time, stay curious.